Y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pink Spice, and I'm here with the part 2 of how I laid my baby hairs. So right now you're gonna see me taking off the elastic band that I used to set the areas that I put the glue. So right now you're gonna see me defining my hair part. It wasn't as perfect as it could be. Y'all excuse my ghetto comb, but this is all I had at the moment. I was staying at my friend's for the weekend. So you're gonna see me defining my part. I'm just gonna be quiet so you guys can watch the rest of this because I don't really have much to say. So now, y'all, I'm brushing away the flyaways just to prepare for cutting my baby hairs. As you can see, I left some of the hairs at the front just to designate it for the baby hairs. So you'll see me just brushing the hair away and preparing to start cutting. So now, y'all, I grab a pair of my scissors and I start cutting the baby hairs that I've set aside. I start cutting them downwards. So once I come back up, you'll see I cut starting from the middle of the hair downwards to close to the ear of my, where the edges will be. So I'm just refining it. Sorry, y'all, you can't see. It's kind of cut off, but y'all get the gist of it. So now you'll see me playing around with the lighting. I guess in this moment I wanted to figure out what the perfect lighting was. But y'all, as you can see, the frontal isn't blending as I would like it to. The reason being is if y'all have seen my review of this hair, you'll know that I talk about how, like, even though I use so much powder, and powder usually helps with most of the frontals that I've used in the past, that it doesn't work with this one, and that's one part that I didn't like about it. So as you can see in the video, like, I'll start to notice that, it's not giving scalp like, and it has nothing to do with me not like doing the wig cap method of melting it, but just because the frontal's not of good quality, if that makes sense. So y'all, now that I finished cutting it, you're gonna see me putting some mousse on the pieces of hair that I've cut. And once I do that, I'm gonna start to start doing the whole baby hair process with souping it. But in this process, I was struggling in the beginning. So don't mind the struggle in the beginning. It's all about the end results. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and see how I did it. If this method helps you to just probably, just to figure out where you're gonna suit the baby hairs on, like, even if it looks bad, just keep it there. You can always go back and refine it, and that's what I'm doing in this process. Y'all, don't mind my friend in the background. Excuse her, please. We're not gonna show her face, but she did end up in this video. Sorry, sis. I'm so sorry if you're watching this, but hopefully nobody can tell us you. I don't think they can. So, yeah, guys. But back to the video. Y'all are probably gonna see me going over multiple times, going over the same spot or so. Honestly, laying baby hairs is it's kind of hard, to be honest. Like, you have to perfect it, like, and it takes time, like practicing and like trying to get it together. And as you can see, like, while you're watching my whole process, you'll see that it gets better once you keep doing it. And like, you may have to go back and whatnot, and you might have to like cut off pieces just to make it work. So yeah, I hope y'all are learning while you're watching this. So y'all will see me using the brush in this part of the video, and then switching over to the comb. And the reason I did that is because the comb helps to keep the hair in the shape that I want it to. Like, it helps to, I guess, navigate the hair and keep it in the form. But then the brush gives it that like unison like type of form, if that makes sense. Like, have y'all ever like seen someone lay their edges and it just looks like little single pieces of hair? It just helps with the uniformity of it, if y'all like get what I mean. So now, y'all, I'm taking a pair of scissors and cutting off that piece that was getting in my way. So the reason I cut off the piece is because when I'm laying my edges, or whenever you lay your edges, you'll find sometimes that like one piece might be too long and it won't blend, sticking out like so. So it's always good to like go back and cut it off just to help with the blending of the edges. Y'all, exhibit A. Y'all see that because the hair was too long, it ruined my part. So you're going to see me take scissors and cut it off like I was just explaining. And then now it blends in better. It's going to stay even if I do anything. So y'all, now I'm going to take my hot comb and just flatten out the frontal part of my hair. Once again, excuse my other friend in the background, but this is gonna go ahead and lay my edges, make it look nice and flat. I did y'all the favor of fast forwarding the video. So now, y'all, I'm looking at it, and then I start to flat iron my hair. Just so I can get it straight. I probably did not, take my time with this part. I was literally in a hurry to leave the house. I had to go get my nails done. And I was going to the piercing shop in Richmond to go get another piercing because, I love piercings or whatever. But yeah, so I had a busy day ahead of me. So I was in a rush this whole time really doing my hair. So yeah, y'all keep watching. Y'all can see me having a conversation with my friends, and my facial expressions are hilarious. As y'all can see, baby hairs on fleek. but the frontal was not giving because it was not blending. Y'all, that's the part that really, really got me. Like, it would have been so freaking cute, so freaking nice, but this frontal, no matter how much powder I put in it, it literally would not blend enough. Like, I noticed that, like, when I was doing my makeup and I had actual foundation and I put foundation over it, that's when it started to blend. So, like, this whole time, like, you'll see me looking at it in the video and being like, this don't look right. And I put like more powder in it. I think it's right here in the video where I'm looking at it and I'm noticing and I'm like, oh my god, this does not look cute. Like, it would have been cute. Look at my face, y'all. Look at it. It would have been cute if it just blended, like seamless. But just because, look at that, y'all. I didn't even finish what I was gonna say, but you see me putting powder trying to make it work, but like literally, y'all, if you still follow this method that I used, your frontal and your baby hairs are gonna come out fleek, but it's just this frontal was just not doing it. Like, it just was not giving, like, at all. But regardless, we move. So y'all will see me just finishing my hair off, putting mousse just to keep flyaways away. And I believe this is basically the end of my video, just refining it. And this is how, y'all, I laid my baby hairs. I hope y'all really took the tips that I suggested, because if you do follow the tips that I gave you, y'all, your edges will be fleek like this, but just disregard the frontal and my friends in the back. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you love it, and I hope your hair turns out great. Y'all go ahead and comment and tell me how this method works, if you like it, if it doesn't work for you, if you don't like it. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends, your coworkers, your family. And I'll see y'all soon with another video. Love y'all. Bye.